welcome or welcome back to 4F Beauty. When will I be YouTube famous? I don't know, folks. But what I do know is that I really enjoy making all these films for you, and so do the rest of my girlies in the Beauty YouTuber Growth Group. Now, they are all listed in my description box below, and once you've watched this film, it'd be awesome if you could go and check out some of theirs. I'm sure they'd be delighted to welcome you into their family the way that you've been welcomed into my 4F family. Right. Today's film is a little bit different. One of the comments that I regularly get is that people find my voice very soothing, to the point that it's almost ASMR makeup, without that slightly creepy feeling you get of someone whispering at you down a microphone. Because I don't know about you, but sometimes I can't handle just I mean, some days I can, and other days it's just, oh no. But I know there are at least two of my friends who, when they can't sleep, will choose one of the longest films that I've done, put it on, and just leave it playing beside the bed, and my voice helps soothe them to sleep. So, if that's something that you use my videos for, this is just the video for you, because I am going to try and talk you to sleep. Told you it's going to be a bit different. Right, I want you to sit or lay comfortably, somewhere where you are completely safe, where you cannot fall, and where you are comfortably not too warm and not too cold. Once you've found the position that you're most comfortable in, just close your eyes for a moment. And what I want you to do is, from the top of your body all the way down, I want you to consciously relax your muscles. You may not even realise that you are holding them tense, but starting with your head, I want you to relax your forehead. If you're holding your eyebrows either up or down in a frown, just relax those out. Relax your cheek, your chin. Going down your neck, I want you to gently relax your shoulders. Feel the tension slowly, slowly leaving your muscles. I want you to continue gently releasing any tension from the muscles in your arms, past your elbows, down your forearm, through your wrists. And I want you to completely unclench those fists. Relax every single muscle in your thumb, your forefinger, your middle finger, your ring finger, and your little pinky. And once both arms are feeling nice and relaxed, I want you to continue to concentrate on just relaxing the muscles through your back, your waist. Unclench your tummy muscles through your hips. And now I want you to concentrate on releasing any tension through your thighs, down through your knees, your calves, your ankles, and down to your feet. And I want you to completely release the tension and relax the muscles in all of your toes. Now that you are completely relaxed, I want you to concentrate on your breathing. Notice the little things. When you breathe in through your nose, notice how cool the air feels. And then as you breathe out through your nose, feel the difference in temperature. Notice how it feels warmer as you breathe out than when you breathe in. And while you're breathing, just be conscious of your chest gently rising and falling with every breath that you take. And I want you to slow your breathing to a nice, gentle pace. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And as you breathe out, I want you to let go of the tensions of your day. Any worries you have, I want you to breathe them back out into the night air so that you don't have to worry about them until the morning. Just concentrate on relaxing and gently breathing in and out in a perfectly safe place so that you can lull yourself to sleep. Now that you're totally relaxed and your breathing is slowed, I want you to imagine in your mind's eye your perfect place. Is it on a beach? If it is, I want you to feel the sand underneath your skin, warmed from the heat of the sun. And I want you to be able to hear those waves gently lapping as they crest and break very gently on the beach, far enough away from you that you know you're not going to get wet, but you can still hear the gentle waves lapping and lulling you to sleep. Or maybe you're beside a lake under a tree with a good book, and the sun is casting gentle reflections on the water, and you can see little ripples here and there as a fish unseen comes up to get either some food or some air, and then goes back down again. And those little ripples, they start small and they gently spread out to the edge of the lake. All the while the sunlight is reflecting off of those waves and gently glistening, and you can hear quiet little bird song above you in the trees, and you can feel yourself getting tired, and you know you're in a safe place, a warm place where you can just completely relax and head off into a very sound, refreshing sleep. And I want you to have such a refreshing sleep. I want you to wake up in the morning feeling refreshed. I want you to feel completely re-energized. I want your batteries to be at 100% so that you can tackle any task thrown at you tomorrow. But for now, I just want you to sleep, to very gently drift off and have beautiful dreams. If you're struggling with sleeping, continue to make sure that all of your muscles are relaxed from the tip of your head to the bottom of your toes, and concentrate on your breathing, feeling that difference in temperature as you breathe in and breathe out, and feeling your ribcage lift and lower with every breath that you take. Now, unlike most of my films, I'm not going to be finishing off with music, because if you have got to sleep, I don't want to wake you up. So I'm going to wish you a very peaceful sleep, beautiful dreams, refreshing, recuperating rest. And I want you to wake feeling energized and positive and ready to face the new day. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you again in another video, remaining fabulous as ever, even while you sleep. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. Bye for now.